Tromba ceremonies are held outdoors and in some huts. The term tromba is derived from the Kiswahili word jomba, which means house or refuge. A tromba is the soul of someone deceased, which temporarily enters the body of a living person. During the possession, this person acts like the deceased, even if they never met. There are male and female trombas, small and great ones, evil ones, the sorcerers, and good-natured ones, the healers. Zamakeli speaks with a high child's voice when she's in a trance. She is the tromba of a child who died at the age of 7 years, a tromba zaza. The trombas dressed in white are the Antandrano, the souls of the Sakavalava who threw themselves into the sea to avoid being conquered by the man. For many trombas, certain food is fadi, such as pork, shrimp, or coffee, and they must observe periods of fasting. Various products stimulate the trance. Honey reinforces the connection between the dead and the living. Incense banishes bad spirits. Kaolin stands for the purity of the spirit. Cigarette smoke leads the tromba spirit to the person who wants to talk to him. Alcohol is considered a sacred drink, which accompanies the wandering soul on its journey. Perfume, coins, and mirrors, as well as different shapes of pearls, are used as lucky charms. Beside the singing and hand clapping of the women, the typical music for a tromba session comes from the accordion. During the ceremony, coins and kaolin are lying on a white porcelain plate. When the spirit possesses the medium, the person speaks, gives advice, makes decisions, settles disputes, and cures sick people, all while in a state of total trance. The session ends when the spirit leaves the body of the medium, who is completely exhausted and worn out.